Welcome! Today we're going to talk about ePortfolios at Auburn University. The ePortfolio project is a campus-wide initiative that supports students and faculty from a wide range of disciplines as they create professional ePortfolios. Whether you're creating an ePortfolio for a class or an upcoming job search, we hope this video will help you get started. So, what is an ePortfolio? At its core, an ePortfolio is a personal website, but it's a specific kind of personal website, one that allows you to communicate and showcase your skills, experiences, and learning. It also contains documents and media, which we call artifacts. An ePortfolio contextualizes those artifacts with reflective writing for a specific audience. Examples of audiences can include potential employers or graduate schools. ePortfolios are as unique as the students who create them. Here are just a few examples from Auburn students and alumni from a range of disciplines, including veterinary medicine, biosystems engineering, geography, and adult education. Sometimes we compare ePortfolios to things that we're more familiar with, such as resumes, blogs, and social networking. ePortfolios have elements of each of these, but they're actually more detailed than resumes, more evidence-based than blogs, and more professional than social networking. ePortfolios are websites that contain artifacts and reflection. LinkedIn, paper portfolios, and blogs each have two of these three elements, but ePortfolios include all three. So, an easier definition to remember would be, ePortfolios are websites that contain artifacts and reflection. Artifacts are the documents and media that you include in an ePortfolio. Artifacts are important because they act as evidence. Instead of telling someone you have a specific skill, you can show them in your ePortfolio. Examples of artifacts include essays, videos, lab reports, lesson plans, pictures, and certificates. Another crucial part of the ePortfolio is reflective writing, which gives you an opportunity to add meaning to your artifacts. Reflective writing allows you to provide context or background information. For example, you can talk about when and why you created an artifact. Reflective writing also allows you to make connections between your classes and co-curricular experiences to tell one cohesive story. With reflective writing, you can explain the significance of an experience or artifact. You and your peers may have similar experiences or artifacts, but what you learned, why it's important, and how you plan to apply that knowledge will be different for everyone. And that's the power of reflective writing. Here are a few examples of how artifacts and reflective writing can look in an ePortfolio. In this one, a student pairs a photo of herself at an event and reflects on the experience within the text on the left. Here, a student pairs a research poster with a photo of herself presenting the poster. More than one artifact can be used to represent a specific experience. In her reflective writing, she talks about the importance of the research poster assignment. This next student embedded the artifacts in her reflective writing. The paragraphs talk about her experiences, and if you clicked on the green hyperlinks, they would open up the papers and projects she chose to include in her ePortfolio. And finally, in this example, a student created a video of a presentation and wrote a reflection on the presentation. Of course, a website needs to live online, and there are a wide range of website building platforms you could use. Our office supports 3 free platforms: Wix, Weebly, and WordPress. In addition to creating business websites and blogs, you can also use these sites to create ePortfolios. You do not need to know how to code. These platforms use intuitive drag-and-drop editors similar to Word or PowerPoint. You will be able to use and update your ePortfolio on these platforms even after you graduate from Auburn. Each platform also has an extensive support system to help with any technology questions. In addition to the platform that will host your website, you will want to consider other aspects of ePortfolio development, such as design, purpose and audience, and ethical literacy. As you create your ePortfolio, we encourage you to visit our website at auburn.edu/ePortfolios. Here you will find videos, handouts, examples, and resources to help you with the process. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at ePortfolios@auburn.edu. Thanks for watching and good luck with your ePortfolio.